Radyo mo nationwide.
We have come to the day's end. Let us rest from the day's work that we may awaken, refreshed and renewed. God, in your mercy, we have this time to rest. We thank you for your unfailing help and protection this day. Forgive us for our failings, for our selfishness towards one another, and open our hearts to forgiveness and reconciliation. Ease the burdens of the troubled, and bring joy to those in sorrow. We pray for the safety of the travelers, for those guarding the well-being of our nation, and for those with responsibilities. Continue to shower your blessings on our families, and preserve the unity of our society.
Ito ang himpilang DXMD 927 Radyo mo nationwide sa General Santos. Now signing off. Ang DXMD ay may paintulot mula sa National Telecommunications Commission. Ang aming studio at transmitter ay nasa Barrio Obrero National Highway, Barangay North, General Santos City, Republika ng Pilipinas. Ang aming pangkat teknikal ay First Class Radio Telephone Operator Nicolas Hurtado. Ito ang himpilang DXMD 927 Radyo mo nationwide sa General Santos City. RMN. Mga kasama, ang pambansang awit ng Pilipinas.
Sayang magiliw, talas ng silanganan, alab ng puso, sa dibdib mo'y buhay. Lupang hinirang, duyan ka ng magiting, sa manlulupig, di ka pasisiin, sa dagat at bundok, sa simoy at sa langit mong bugaw. May dilagang tula at awit sa paglayang minamahal. Ang kislap ng watawat mo'y tagumpay na nagniningning. Ang bituin at araw niya kailan pa may di magdidilim. Lupa ng araw ng walhati pagsinta, mo'y langit sa piling mo. Aming ligaw